Cool air, sunrise glow, steam from the tailpipes rolling slow. Small block Fords come to life, rumble deep like thunder at night. You can hear them pulling in from miles away. People come to test and play, every corner and every street. This is where they're meant to meet. It's been a year since we've all been here, but that sound makes it crystal clear. Under the Foxtoberfest sky, engines start and the good vibes fly. Hotels fill and the laughter's loud. We're just one big Foxbody crowd. Stories told, new friends made, under the lights where memories stay. No egos, just a ride or die, under the Foxtoberfest sky. Friday night, the track lights glow. Hearts race no matter if you're fast or slow. Ain't no trophies, just respect. It's Foxtoberfest. Late night lights, head spin. You can feel it start again. Paint reflections, towels dry. Dreams alive in Carolina skies. No matter where we come from now, we all speak the same sound. Sky, engines sing and the good vibes fly. Hotels fill and the laughter's loud. We're just one big Foxbody crowd. Stories told, new friends made, under the lights where memories stay. No egos, just a ride or die, under the Foxtoberfest sky. From morning tents to mountain drive, the smoking autumn light. You can't fake that kind of love. It's in the air from the smoke above. Under the Foxtoberfest sky, where hearts and horsepower collide. You can hear it late at night, that cammed up sound that feels just right. Every handshake, every smile, every burnout's worth the miles. Yeah, we're all alive. I'm under the Foxtoberfest sky.
Go ahead, go ahead. Jumbo stall, 70 millimeter, 68. Stock T5 stuff. We're going to see what we can do on here. This is your basic stock block rebuild. Stock Cobra cam. Stock Cobra 172 rockers. GT40P, Explorer intake, whatever. Home built turbo kit, little 70 millimeter based off on 3. Full weight car. I mean, it's like 3,400 pounds. It's heavy.
What's it gonna make? Roughly.
Well, here's the thing: is I found this thing yesterday. This was missing, so it was blowing boost out.
Oh, that's about a pound right there.
Maybe. So we said hopefully we see 12. We get 2 runs, so I'll turn it up a little bit if I can.
Yeah. Let's see.
420.
420. What if we put about 10 clicks in it?
750. And an oil drain.
Yeah, baby.
Need it blow a rod like my calf. You see, you hear that crack?
What was that?
Well, it's got a little crack in it. I think it's got a crack in it.
It's got a crack in the exhaust?
Yeah, in the manifold.
Oh, well, yeah. You should have welded that up. You already know where it's cracked at.
Yes, son. What's that? Yes. 180. Trying to warm it up. Yeah, it never gets hot. Maybe that'll work to my advantage. I don't know. Stock ECU. I tuned it though. It's got a chip in it. It's good.
You tuned it?
Yeah.
Never mind. 360. About 360 to the wheels.
That's not nice.
That right there is why it's gonna make 430.
Oh, don't hate on that one, Galata.
I mean, I'm not hating on this. It's gonna make more.
I love it. It's all fun, man. It's street car stuff. Street car stuff. Street car. I wonder how much boost it'll make.
I don't know. Where's the flicker at? Do we need to not stand around the engine area?
No, it might fly off.
Yeah.
I know the dummy that put this together.
Yeah, we probably better. Let me move back here.
Everyone's like, why is everybody moving back? Everyone's like, why are we moving back? That's what you thought. If I move back, you move back. Just warming it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
.442. Woo! Where's your car at, son? Oh wait, that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. One second. I went the wrong way.
How much you put in?
He ain't scared. Where's your car?
Oh, 458.
Okay. We're
Yeah.
at 393. Let's go. Every time we do stuff, you break shit.
We always back out. Every time. No,
No, he doesn't.
No, I don't.
That's the problem.
I listen to him and then.
Oh, you
this
messed
shit-
it up?
Yeah.
Oh,
This shit
okay. I
goes
got
crazy.
it different. Thank you.
Mine makes. How much yours make?
About
450.
14, 13
458.
14.
Mine makes about 453.
What we really needed was them to race yesterday. That's what we needed.
We did.
We ain't
raced.
street. Hey, we ain't foot racing ever again. I had to get an MRI for that.
Well,
You threw a ride? I threw a ride.
So y'all foot race?
Yeah, we
did, and
tried
I threw a
to.
ride. Both y'all.
Oh,
I run
okay.
every day through a
That
ride.
type of
Had to
You
go
got
stretch
me
it
on
out.
film.
Always.
Where's the 393?
Where did 390?
Yeah, I put my wide band in the sniffer, dude. It's 12.7 on the top for me.
Really? It's out of injector.
It is. It's got 42.
Getting set up kind of behind the scenes here. Check this out. Nice.
You see this shit?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I see it. They're 4-wheel.
Those are old school.
Yeah, I think they're 8-inch. But that would be
Bogarts?
sick on the Calypso, though.
Yeah,
I love Bogarts. Those are deep, what, D10s?
Yeah. That's what I think.
Yeah, $1,400, man. That's not bad for
The wheels you can't get no more.
Yeah. I like these without the other stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, 15 by 9. 5 1/4 back spacing.
Damn.
Dude, that's the wheel right there, man. That's what everybody wanted back in the day.
That's old school.
And that's a wrap on Foxtoberfest 2025. Damn, what a weekend. I missed out earlier in the week because of work, but man, Friday and Saturday was phenomenal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, the song that you heard is AI generated. I feel like I need to say that now. You can't download it anywhere. It is what it is. I just wanted to make a song for Foxtoberfest. Why not, right? I think it was pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I thought I got a lot more than what I did, but apparently not. So I do apologize. I just wanted to get this footage out to you guys. Kind of, Foxtoberfest through the eyes of Brutal, if you will, what little bit of footage there was. One of the things I was really impressed with was the swap meet area is just, wow, it's crazy. There at the last of the video, you can see those Bogarts. I should have bought those. I think they were actually only $900. They had been marked down. Should have bought those. 4-lug. You just don't see them. But so much stuff to pick through, look through. So many cars if you need ideas for your build. These events like this are where you want to be. Ford Takeovers coming back up next year. Another great event for you guys to get ideas and come hang out with everybody. Hope to see you all more next year. We're going to try to make some more events. We'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. And as always, thanks for watching.
Drag swag, oh you know the name. Hats, shirts, hoodies, fuel in the flame for the F100s and the Coyote crew. Drag swag's got the gear just for you.